It's kind of cool. I wonder if it could really fly. Might have to lose the sunnies. It's so quiet in here. Last time we were here, it wasn't this quiet. We're even skipping the queue.
You insult my honor, and believe me, I have very little honor to insult.
Hondo, what are the engines all over here?
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. This is... Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Ohnaka, and this is Ohnaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed. You let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Welcome, my friends. Right this way. Nothing to be afraid of yet. Just kidding. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a First Order train shipment of Coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. All right, into the cockpit. I hope you are ready, my friends, but to be sure, I will be coming along with you. Automatic repair engaged. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it! Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, in the boosters. Now let's go get that Coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to Lightspeed. Oh, there is the train. Come, Papa. Those heavy dies are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Gunners, blast away. Blast. Ah, there it is. After that train. Gunners, fire the harpoon. Pilot, brakes. My friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the Coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the Resistance has what they need, maybe a little something from Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Watch out! A Star Destroyer is collapsing! The pilot! Hit the boosters! Boost! 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 We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out! Great job, my friends. You retrieved one container of Coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough. Time for you to go. And don't worry, the payment is on the way. Trust me.